Hello, so today we are going to do quadrilaterals and other polygons. We are going to do practice questions of these. So first of all, quadrilateral is any polygon that has four sides. Like square, rectangle, these are all quadrilaterals. In the first question, if the perimeter of the rectangle below is 56, what is the value of the base? Now it is a rectangle, so opposite sides are equal. If this is 10, this is also 10. If we take this base as x, this will also be x. Now the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times length plus breadth. Perimeter is 56, so 56 equals to 2 times length 10 plus breadth x. Now we can cancel this 2 and 56. This will go 28 times. So 28 is equals to 10 plus x. So x will come as 28 minus 10, that is 18. Option A is correct. In the second question, what is the perimeter of a square with area 49? So, area of a square is side square. Side square is coming as 49. Then the side of the square will be under root 49, that is 7. Now, the perimeter of a square is 4 into side. That will come as 4 into 7. That is 28. Option D is correct. Now in this figure, what is the area of the rectangle below? It's given it's a rectangle. So this angle will be right angle. And this is also 90 degree. This is 60 degree. This is 90 degree. So this will be 180 minus 60 minus 90. That is 30 degree. Now the easiest way to do this will be using trigonometry. We can use this angle 30 degree. We can find the sine of it. Why are we finding sine, not tan? Because this is hypotenuse. It's opposite to 90 degree. So 20 is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is given, so you can use either cos or sine. So sine 30 is equals to perpendicular upon base. This can be ABCD. Now in this rectangle ABCD, if we consider this as our angle, the perpendicular will be opposite to this angle, that is AD. Upon base, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 20. So sine 30 will be perpendicular AD upon hypotenuse 20. And sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is coming as AD upon 20. So AD will come as 20 upon 2. That is 10. Now we can use the Pythagoras theorem. We know this value. This is coming as 10. We can take this as x. So 10 square, that is 100, plus x square will be equal to 20 square, that is 400. So x square will be 400 minus 100, that is 300. X is under root 300. 3 into 10 into 10. That's basically 10 root 3. So x is coming as 10 root 3. Now we can find the area. Area is equals to length into breadth. Length is 10 and breadth is 10 root 3. So area is coming as 100 root 3. Option E is correct. Next question. Find the value of x in this parallelogram. Because this is a parallelogram, so in a parallelogram, the sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree and opposite angles are equal. So x plus 40 is going to be 180 degree. Then x will be 180 minus 40, that is equal to 140 degree. Option C is right. Now question number 5. What is the value of x in this parallelogram? Now this is a parallelogram, so opposite angles should be equal. So 15x minus 7 will be equal to 13x plus 9. We'll bring the x terms on one side. 15x minus 13x equals to 9 plus 7. 15x minus 13x is 2x and 9 plus 7 is 16. So 2x is 16, x is equal to 16 upon 2, that is 8. This is the answer. Question number 6. The area of a rectangle below is 40. What is the perimeter? So area is given. Area is length into breadth. X plus 3 into x plus 6 is given as 40. We'll solve this. So this should be x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 3 into 6, that is 18, is equals to 40. So x square plus 9x plus 18 minus 40, that is minus 22 equals to 0. Now we'll factorize it. Factors of 22 whose difference is 9. It's simple. 11 minus 2 is 9. So this is x square plus 11x minus 2x minus 22 equals to 0. We can take x common from here. This would be x plus 11 and minus 2 common from here. This should be x plus 11 equals to 0. So x minus 2 into x plus 11 is 0. Now the product of two numbers is 0. That's only possible if at least one of them is 0. So either x minus 2 is 0 or x plus 11 is 0. If x minus 2 is 0, then x is coming as 2. If x minus 11 is 0, x will be minus 11. That's not possible because the value of x can't be negative. That will make the side negative. So x is coming as 2. So this side, that is our length, will be equal to x plus 3. That is 2 plus 3, 5. This breadth will be equal to 2 plus 6. That is 8. Now the perimeter is 2 times L plus B. So perimeter should be equal to 2 times length is 5 and breadth is 8. So 2 times 5 plus 8, that is 2 into 13. So the answer is coming as 26. What is the perimeter? The perimeter is equal to 26. Next question. What is the area of the square below? Now it is a square, so all the sides are supposed to be equal. These two sides will also be equal. So 4x minus 3 will be equal to 2x plus 5. We'll bring x terms on one side. So 4x minus 2x equals to 5 plus 3. So 2x equals to 8, x is equal to 4. Now if we consider this side as length, breadth, whatever, this should be equal to 4 into 4, that is 16, minus 3. So it's coming as 13. You don't need to calculate this one, but it will also come as 13 only. And the area is equal to side square. That is 13 square. So the area is coming as 169 units. Now here in this 8th question, if the area of the rectangle is 120, what is the area of the triangle CPD? Area of the rectangle is given. It's coming as 120. Now the important thing is, if we drop a perpendicular from P, say to the point E. So this is right angle. This is right angle. This is right angle. This part is also going to make a rectangle because three angles are 90 degrees. So this is a rectangle. So this will make all these three sides equal. These three sides will be equal. Now say this is x. So this is also x. This is also x. And say this part is y. This will also be y. Now area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So x into y is coming as 120. Now this is the trick part. If you want the area of this triangle, it's just half into base into height. So area of triangle CPD is equals to half into base is x, base is y into height is x. So area will be half into xy. So that's basically equal to half into xy is 120 degree. So half into 120, that should be 60. I've written degree here, sorry, units. So this would be 60 units. Triangle will be 60 units. Simple reason, x into y is 120, then half into x into y will be half into 120. That is 60. Now this 9th question. In the parallelogram given below, x is 4 times as big as y. Then you have to find x minus y. So it's given x is, so x is equal to 4 times y. X equals to 4 times y, and x plus y we know sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. So 4y plus y is 180. 5y is equals to 180 degree. So we can find the value of y here. Y will be 180 divided by 5, that is 36. Now x minus y, so x is 4y minus y, that is equal to 3y. So 3 into 36, that is coming as 108 degrees. What is the area of the parallelogram below? The side is given as 20 centimeter, this is 40 centimeter, and this angle is given as 60 degree. First of all, we need the area. Area is equals to base into height. Base is 40, we need the height. So for the height, we'll drop a perpendicular. Now because an angle is given, we can use trigonometry. Here we can use tan. Tan 60 is equals to root 3. And otherwise it's equal to perpendicular upon base. So now we know the ratio between perpendicular and base is root 3 is to 1. So if we take the perpendicular as x root 3, the base will be x because their ratio is root 3 is to 1. And we know this side is 20. We can use Pythagoras theorem. 20 square is equals to x root 3 square plus x square. So 400 equals to 3x square plus x square. So that's going to give us 4x square. 400 equals to 4x square. This will be cancelled 100 times. X square is 100. X equals to under root 100. That is equal to 10. So this is coming as 10 root 3. This is 10. But it doesn't matter now. We just wanted the area. Area of triangle is area of this parallelogram will be base into height. Base is coming as 40 and height is coming as 10 root 3. So the area will be 400 root 3. Option E is correct. And if you want me to solve more questions, please write it in the comments and remember to subscribe. Thank you.